Today we're going to talk about drainline video inspections. We're finding that it's more important than ever to include a drainline video inspection with a home inspection, and it doesn't matter when the house was built. We used to think that it was only important on old houses, but it turns out that even newer homes can have a lot of problems. Now, of course, older homes with clay pipes, for those, for example, built in the 1940s or before, or even cast iron plumbing, as you see here with this rusted cast iron drain line, can have a lot of problems. But even on newer homes built in the 80s and 90s, we're finding a lot of problems with ABS plastic, and it was mostly due to the installation of the pipe in the first place. About 30% of the houses that get a drain line video require some level of repair. So we highly recommend that you suggest a drain line video inspection with every home inspection when you're dealing with the purchase of a home. For more information, please visit our website at this URL, and there's a lot more information and videos for your convenience. Thank you very much.